The mirror principle: transform your reality through Buddhist wisdom. The mirror principle is one of the most powerful principles in existence, capable of profoundly transforming our lives. Imagine this: when you see yourself frowning in the mirror, you need to smile first before the reflection in the mirror smiles back at you. Changing the mirror or breaking it won't alter the reflection. Similarly, if your inner beliefs don't change, neither will your physical reality. This is the core of the mirror principle. If you master this principle, everything you desire can become your reality. However, you must persist in this practice. If you're truly ready for a significant change, this video is for you. I will share with you important daily practices that I follow. Let's unveil this secret and see how it can truly change your life. Reality as a mirror. Reality is a mirror reflecting your relationship with yourself and the external world. For example, if you want to become a millionaire but have a poor relationship with money, believing you lack the ability to earn it, reality will mirror this belief by providing more evidence of your inability to earn money. The physical world will give you more circumstances that validate your assumptions and beliefs. Thus, remember, the material world is merely a mirror reflecting your inner world. Rediscovering inner wisdom. In today's society, many people are increasingly immersed in technology and social media, losing touch with their inner wisdom and essence. The first fundamental key of the mirror principle is to manipulate the mirror by first understanding your relationship with yourself and the world around you. In other words, what you see in the mirror of reality is a projection of how you view yourself and the world. If you look at yourself and think you're not good enough, the mirror will reflect a reality that confirms or not good enough. The reflection is based on the messages you send to the mirror of reality, similar to how a loyal friend always validates what you believe without trying to alter the reflection. Therefore, we must learn to change the image we project in front of the mirror. Creating your identity and worldview. How can we change this? How can we consciously choose what we want? The answer lies in creating your own identity and worldview. Here's an example to help you understand how to create your identity. First, clarify your long-term goals, preferably for the next 10 years. Imagine what your daily life looks like in your future vision. What kind of life do you have? Next, crucially ask yourself, who am I when I achieve, own, and do all these things? What characteristics and qualities do I have? Also, consider your worldview when you live in this reality and possess all these things. Spend time focusing on generating strong, powerful feelings. Daily affirmations. You will then create your own affirmations, which may differ for everyone. Examples include: I'm worthy, I'm abundant, I'm free, I'm a magnet for money and love. Create affirmations related to your worldview, such as, everything that happens is for my benefit, or everything happens at the right time, according to the best plan of the universe. By committing to daily repetition of these affirmations and internalizing them, you will witness incredible transformations in your perceived reality and worldview. Patience and persistence. Even if what you desire seems difficult today, it doesn't mean it can't be achieved tomorrow. Everything requires patience and practice. Don't let certain fears stop you from achieving extraordinary goals. Let's discuss the second key: persist in the identity and worldview you have established. Understand that reflections in the material world have a delay in manifestation, which is why manifestations may seem slow to arrive or disappear quickly. In the third dimension, the physical dimension, the nature of matter requires time to manifest. Thus, the second key is to persist in your established beliefs long enough for your desires to manifest. This means staying true to the identity and worldview you have created until your goals manifest. Consistency in identity. Ask yourself how this person would act and maintain this identity consistently. When people establish a belief and identity, expecting their goals to materialize, but don't see immediate results, their emotions start to decline. When your emotions hit the lowest point, your goal finally manifests. However, when it does, the negative attitude also manifests, causing the manifested things to deteriorate or disappear. Focusing on what you want. In life, there will always be ups and downs. The key is to remain true to the identity and worldview you have created. This is the most effective way to bring about significant changes in your life. The third key is to focus solely on what you want and what you have. Reality mirrors your content, not the emotion itself. If you constantly express dissatisfaction, such as hating your job or partner, the mirror reflects the specific content you hate, not the hatred itself. Thus, you will receive more of what you hate. Transforming your reality. To apply this in your life, focus on what you want and what you already have. Begin by appreciating what you have now, all your progress, your wonderful family, and what you want in your life. Ponder on what you want, what it looks like. As you continue to focus on what you want, the gap between your current life and desired life will gradually narrow until it fully manifests. Mastering the mirror cycle. The final key, and perhaps the most important, is the mirror cycle. If you learn to manipulate this cycle for yourself, you will no longer be uncertain about your actions. Everything you do, including all complaints and regrets, happens in the present moment. When you focus on these things, you create a mental image, which the mirror of reality has no choice but to reflect. Most people get trapped in a vicious cycle, blaming bad luck for continuous misfortune, without realizing they haven't made an internal change. Imagine printing a document with typos, using correction fluid to fix the errors, and then reprinting only to find the typos still there. It sounds ridiculous, right? The solution is to correct the typos in the computer file and then print again, yielding a correct document. Similarly, by making fundamental changes to your worldview and identity, you can reverse the mirror cycle process and create the reality you want to see. Most people observe first, then create a mental image, and finally see the reflection in reality. To become a co-creator of your reality, start with the image you want to form, ignoring your current reality. Embracing inner power. Everything around you now is created by your past self. Acknowledge this to bring about change. If you want to shape tomorrow, consciously choose today. When we create a mental image, saying, "This is who I am, this is what I have," the mirror has no choice but to reflect this gradually. Instead of observing, confirm. When you confirm reality changes, you gain more confidence. Even small changes validate the mirror principle, and you will find things becoming smoother. Whether it's improving work or relationships, things will get better, potentially transforming your entire world. Final thoughts. Is there a cycle you want to break in your life? Remember, the mirror is limitless and responds to what we offer. By applying the mirror principle, your life will profoundly change. People often overlook their inner power, but the things around us are echoes of our beliefs, identity, and worldview. The secret to transformation lies in creating a mental image of who you want to be and what you want to achieve. The mirror of reality will respond accordingly, gradually changing your destiny and reality. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like to motivate me. Until next time, see you again.